A position trade tries to take advantage of longer-term trend cycles that can last anywhere from weeks to months, maybe even years, depending on the cycle. Here's an example of Microsoft where you see a double bottom W pattern, down here, and a breakout above 100 early in January. And you see that then proceed to make higher highs and higher lows, continuing to those upswings, establishing a longer term upward trend until you see it actually form a lower low and a lower high over here and breaking support. So a position trader would potentially be in the trade between support and when it breaks resistance and when it violates support. And again, the trade may be lasting somewhere between from January clear until the end of the May. So you've got a good 5 months in there of time frame that passed on the position trade. And again, trying to take advantage of longer positions. A position trade could also be an option strategy that lasts for, again, more than a couple weeks, a month or more. So would be a good definition for a position trade.